everybody in REI is very involved and just wants to help everybody. The biggest challenge was uh, talking to enough people, having the time to talk to more people in order to get more leads. Just not enough time for me to call. Overwhelming because I want to grow my business, and it could be challenging not to. I have 3 kids, so it's a little hard sometimes, especially with COVID. They're always around, and so yeah, it's definitely overwhelming. Just that want to grow your business, but also just trying to find better ways to advance the business. I definitely don't have to do as many calls, so I don't have to sit on the phone for hours. I just follow up with the leads that are actually interested, so it saves me a lot of time. I would say just to do it. It saves you a lot of time, a lot of effort on the agent side or the wholesaler side. You got somebody doing all the calls for you, and all you have to do is follow up with the hot leads. So definitely a time saver. The responsiveness, the community, having those channels to ask questions if needed, Adam helping with lists, and just definitely everybody in REI is very involved and just wants to help everybody around, which is, I think, is great. I think that's the kind of energy we should have in the industry, people helping each other.